Francesco Bagnaia resmi menjadi pemenang dalam balapan utama di Pertamina Grand Prix of Indonesia. Peko sangat bangga dengan kinerja timnya. Pebalap yang akrab disapa Peko ini sebelumnya harus berjuang dalam sesi latihan bebas, kualifikasi hingga sprint race karena kesalahan dalam pemilihan ban. Peko mengaku usahanya dalam balapan utama dilakukan untuk mengembalikan status pemimpin klasemen yang sebelumnya diambil alih oleh pebalap pramak Ducati Jorge Martin saat mampu finish pertama dalam balapan sprint race sehari sebelumnya.
This win is, I put this win as the same, maybe more, but similar level to the one in Malaysia last year. I gave everything to fight back from what happened yesterday. We did an incredible job, and I'm very proud of my team.
So happy to be coming from 13th position on the grid to winning. Obviously, yesterday was good for Ducati because the sprint race has three Ducati on the first three position, but obviously not so happy for Pecco because yesterday he lost the leadership to the championship to Martin, but he got it again because unfortunately Jorge made a small mistakes and lost the front while he was leading and crashed. But I think Pecco had a remarkable comeback from a very difficult weekend, trying to work with his engineers, try to find the right setup, get the confidence he was still missing, and winning in a fantastic way. Obviously,